In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print tasks directly from Clickup in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide is here to make it as easy as possible. To get started, open up your preferred internet browser and head on over to the Clickup website. This is your central hub for managing tasks, projects, and more. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the web page. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, for many of us, remembering passwords can be a hassle. Clickup offers a handy Continue with Google option which allows you to log in using your Google account. When you click on this, it will prompt you to select your Google account, so pick the one that you use with Clickup. This seamless integration not only saves you time but also secures your login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various options. What you want to do next is navigate to your space. This is where all your tasks are organized. It's important to enter the correct space, especially if you manage multiple projects or teams. Now that you're in your desired space, let's move on to the printing part. Here's a neat trick that many find super convenient: pressing Ctrl and P on your keyboard at the same time. This global shortcut is a quick command that opens the print dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll be able to configure your printer settings. This is the part where you align your printing preferences with your needs. You can select the range of pages you want to print, adjust the layout, and ensure your printer is set up correctly. It's a great idea to review these settings to avoid any printing mishaps. After everything's set up to your liking, click on Print. And just like that, you've successfully printed your tasks from Clickup. It sounds simple, and that's because it is. Clickup's integration and user-friendly interface make what could be a daunting task super straightforward. As a quick recap, you start by going to the Clickup website, logging in through your Google account, accessing your space, pressing Ctrl and P, and finally configuring your print settings before hitting the print button. Hopefully, this will help you remain productive and organized, keeping track of your tasks both on screen and on paper. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy printing!